Let's face it, the parking meter hasn't changed much in the last 100 years. Until now. The MPS meter is the only smart replacement on the market that has LPR technology to keep parkers accountable and streets safer. The meter can monitor multiple spaces to improve compliance. It has an intuitive, interactive interface, syncs seamlessly to the Sentry mobile app, and is packed with additional safety features. The MPS meter is the only meter that forgives. If a parker exceeds the grace period, they're only charged for the time used. Parkers will only receive a ticket for exceeding the grace period if they leave without paying. Best of all, parkers can avoid interacting with the meter entirely. With the Sentry mobile app, parkers create an account with their license plate number and payment information. The app automatically syncs with the meter to start the parking session, so drivers can park and go. You can even increase time parked easily right on the app. The app shows open spots in real time and provides turn-by-turn directions back to your vehicle. Once the parker exits the spot, they're charged only for the time used. Parking has never been easier for your municipality, and MPS is dedicated to helping your city become safer with smarter solutions.